Royal Farms.
How could there be a chicken in the snow?
Oh yeah.
This is ridiculous.
This is really a real chicken, guys.
A real chicken in the snow.
He's not going to last very long because this guy that's making the video is just going to eat him.
Yes, yes.
Or one day...
Yum, 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 yum. Look, he's got snow on his head. He's a regular chicken head.
Well,
look at that snow
we've been
coming
getting
down.
a lot of snow in Maryland.
Yeah, a lot of snow in Maryland. There it is.
Yeah.
Look at all that. That's the dirty snow. We don't count that.
I mean, he's taking the worst video possible, but you guys can see the snow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe because I've got more stupid videos like this.